In this video, we will explain the need and objectives of human resource planning. First, we shall focus on the need of human resource planning. As you know, human resource planning is needed for foreseeing the human resource requirements of an organization and supply of human resources to an organization. Its need can be assessed from the following important points. The first need of human resource planning comes out of the replacement of persons. A large number of persons are to be replaced in the organization because of retirement, old age, deaths, etc. There will be a need to prepare persons for taking up new positions in such contingencies. Next important need of human resource planning comes out of the labor turnover. We know that there is always labor turnover in every organization. The degree of labor turnover may vary from one organization to another one, but it cannot be eliminated altogether. There will be a need to recruit new persons to take up the positions of those who have left the organization. If the concern is able to forecast turnover rate precisely, then advanced efforts are to be made to recruit and train persons so that work does not suffer for want of workers. Next is expansion plans. Human resource planning is required for the expansion of business activities by an organization. Whenever there is a plan to expand or diversify the concern, then more persons will be required to take up new positions. Human resource planning is essential under these situations. The third one is technological change. We know that when technological change happens, human resources need to be upgraded to suit to the technological changes. And human resource planning has a responsibility of molding the human resources so as to accommodate themselves with the new technological changes. The business is working under changing technological environment. There may be a need to give fresh training to personnel. In addition, there may also be a need to infuse fresh blood into the organization. Human resource planning will help in meeting the new demands of the organization. The fifth one is assessing the needs. Human resource planning is also required to determine whether there is any shortage or surplus of persons in an organization. If there are less persons than required, it will adversely affect the work. On the other hand, if more persons are employed than requirement, then it will increase labor cost, resulting in the loss. Human resource planning therefore ensures the employment of proper workforce. Now we will discuss the objectives of human resource planning in detail. The first one is assessing manpower needs for future and making plans for recruitment and selection. Assessing skill requirements in future for the organization. The third one is determining training and the development needs of the organization. Anticipating surplus or shortage of staff and avoiding unnecessary detentions or dismissals. Controlling wage and salary cost. Ensuring optimum use of human resources in the organization. Helping the organization to cope with the technological development and modernization. Ensuring career planning of every employee of the organization and making the succession programs. Ensuring higher labor productivity is the last but not the least objective of human resource planning.